Hey guys, a very warm welcome to this amazing class. I hope all of you guys are doing super duper amazing. Good evening to everybody. You know who this is. This is me, Mohan, master teacher of science from Vedantu, and today's class is gonna get super interesting because we are back with another amazing chapter for our one shot revision, that is stars and the solar system, guys. So are you all ready? Give me a quick yes in the chat box if you're all ready for this amazing session. Hi Deekshita, hi Krishna, hi Pallavi, hi. Big hi to all of you guys. Welcome to the session and call up all of your friends to the class right now because we are going to learn a lot of things from stars and solar system. Not just that, we also have a VQUIZ by the end of the class. Okay, so make sure that you guys attend the entire class, get to know all the information so that you guys can get your name on top of the leaderboard. Okay, excited Deekshita, very good. Hi Gautam. Hi Shaku. Hello, big hi. 13 questions, yes, 13 questions. Come on. We'll start with the class, guys. If you guys are on Instagram, if you're not following me, do follow me for all of the updates, for upcoming classes, for any videos, for interaction, for your doubts. For all of it, you can follow me on Instagram. It is Mohan, learn_with_Mohan. So make sure you guys follow me over there. Now, the different topics that we will be covering in today's class in this one-shot revision is going to be celestial bodies. We'll learn about stars, constellation, sun, solar system, planets and its features, comets, asteroids, meteors and meteorites. Wow. So much information to everybody, guys. So are you all ready? Yes. Let's get started. Sir, finally you bought my favorite chapter. Oh, nice. It's my favorite also. Okay, first one. Let's talk about celestial bodies. Celestial bodies means what? The objects which are there in space. For example, the sun, the moon, the stars, planets, all of this in our solar system, they are all called as celestial bodies. Okay, now first let's start talking about the moon. Now moon is very beautiful. We all love moon, right? Exactly. The moon is natural satellite of the earth. Why is it called as a natural satellite? Guys, anything that revolves around the planet in a fixed orbit is called as a satellite. We have many artificial satellites that we have put in the orbit. But this is a natural satellite. It's already there. Somebody already put it. Chanda Mama, right? Yes. Now, why is moon very amazing? Moon is the brightest object in the night sky. But is moon a luminous body? No. Moon is a non-luminous body because it doesn't emit its own light. It just reflects the light that is falling on it from the sun. Alright, now the moon also rotates on its own axis, at the same time revolves around the earth. Okay, and there is no water, no air, nothing on the moon, so life cannot exist on the moon. Got it? Which is your favorite planet, Shivani? I'll tell you. When we learn about planets, I'll tell you. Okay? Now, let's talk about the moon's surface. We all know, right? When the first human landed on the moon, what did he tell? What did Neil Armstrong tell? When he put his foot on the moon, he said, oh, what moon? Amazing. No, he didn't tell all that. What would you have told? What would you have told? Hi, Defina. Vanakkam. Pragya. Hi, Soumya. You guys would have been like, oh, I have landed on the moon. But Neil Armstrong was so brilliant. So he told, one small step for a man, but a giant leap for a mankind. He had to think. I think he had it in the mind. I'm like, if I land on the moon, hopefully, I'm going to tell this dialogue. So make sure that you guys all have your own dialogue, guys. You never know. Suddenly you might become successful. Right? And then somebody will call you on the stage. Hi, please talk. You should have a dialogue ready. Just like Neil Armstrong. Alright, so the surface of the moon is barren, dusty and devoid of water. No water, no air, nothing. That's why even now if you go, you can see the footprint of Neil Armstrong on the moon. Neil Armstrong is no longer with us. He's dead. But his footprints are still there on the moon because of no air, no water, nothing to disturb the footprints. Isn't that amazing? So it has large craters and high mountains. The moon's gravity is 6 times weaker compared to the Earth. It is so weak that it does not have any atmosphere. It's so weak. If you jump on the moon, you can jump very, very high. Because the gravity is so weak there. That's why we cannot hear anything on the moon also. Because moon doesn't have any air. We also saw that in order to hear, in order to sound to travel, sound needs a medium. Since moon doesn't have any medium, how can sound travel? Yeah? We came to moon but we found the earth, sir. That's what Neil Armstrong said too. Oh, he said we came to moon and he found earth. Oh. Okay, let's now talk about phases of the moon. Guys, phases of the moon is very interesting because every night you go out, you look up the sky, a different shape of moon is visible. Does it mean that we have so many moon out there? No. It is the same moon which is visible differently on different days. Okay, those are called as phases of the moon, the different shape of the moon. Okay, now listen to me very carefully. For example, let me show you how. I hope you all can see my face, right? Let me shine a torchlight on my face. Now you can see this part visible. So for somebody who is very far, can only see this side of my face. Now, he can see half of my face clearly. Now my full face. Now this side. Now this side. Now nothing. Right, the same way is how the moon phases happen. The phases of the moon is because of the light of the sun. Because of which part is visible to us as the light falls on it. Got it? Hi Ashashvi. So, when the moon is in between the earth and the sun, we cannot see anything because the light is falling behind the moon. That is no moon. Also called as new moon. Amavasya. Right? Then slowly moon starts to appear. Right? So from nothing, it starts to appear slowly. This phase is called as waxing phase. From new moon to full moon is called waxing phase. So we have waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon. Okay, after full moon, that is your Paurnami, slowly again a moon starts decreasing in size. That phase is called as what? Waning phase. So first is waxing, then it is waning. So from full moon, it starts going smaller and smaller. So we have full moon, we have waning gibbous, we have last quarter, waning crescent, and no moon. Not raining phase, waning. W-A-N-I-N-G, waning. Waxing is W-A-X-I-N-G. Okay? Not raining. Got it? Yeah, correct. So waxing is from nothing to full moon. Waning is from full to nothing again. Okay, great. So what are stars now? Let's now learn about stars. Stars are luminous body. They are tiny, twinkling luminous objects in the sky that emits its own light. Is there any time when moon is not visible? Soumya, yes, that is your new moon. See, when the moon is in between the sun and the earth, it is not visible to us when the light is behind. Okay? Now, stars are so huge, guys. Our sun is also a star. See how huge sun is, right? But since stars are very far away, they only seem very small. Okay, they're very far compared to sun also. Stars are present all the time, daytime, nighttime, all the time, but in the daytime we are not able to see it because of the sunlight. Sunlight is so bright. How will you see tiny stars? You can't, right? Stars appear to move from east to west. In the night, if you see, all the stars will move from east to west. Why does the stars move? No, the earth moves because the earth rotates from west to east. Okay, so a star which rises in the east in the evening sets in the west in the early morning. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west, whereas earth moves from west to east. That is why we have all the movement happening in the sky. Okay, so the pole star. Guys, for example, see, let's say I am the earth. Everything around me is star. The laptop, the window, my everything else. If I rotate like this, everything else rotates in the opposite direction, right? If I go like this, everything else goes opposite. But what about the fan? Does the fan change its position, guys? No, because the fan is right above my head. So no matter how I rotate, the things in the axis remains fixed. The same happens to the pole star. The pole star is right above our head, right above North Pole. So even if you rotate, the North Pole remains fixed. The star remains fixed. That's called as the pole star. Okay? Yes? Great. Pole star is right above the North Pole. Now let's talk about the sun. Sun is the brightest, biggest and hottest object in the solar system. Yes, it's a star. It is made up of 70% of hydrogen, 28% of helium. So all the hydrogen is fusing together to become into helium. Nuclear fusion is happening. How are stars formed? Stars are formed from nebulae, clouds. Okay, constellations. Group of stars forming a pattern that we all can see is called as a constellation. We have many famous constellations. The Great Bear. It's also called as Ursa Major, Big Dipper, Saptarishi. Different names are there. It's generally seen when? During the early part of the summer. In the summer you will be able to see it. Okay, now it appears like a big ladle. 7 prominent stars. 3 stars as a handle and 4 stars as a bowl. Okay, look at this. It looks like this, guys. If you draw a straight line from the last 2 stars, you can locate pole star. Like this. Okay, yes. Orion is the next constellation. Orion is also called as the hunter. It can be seen during winter in the evenings, made up of 7 to 8 stars. The brightest star, Sirius, can be located using this constellation, using the hunter. Cassiopeia is also another constellation visible in the winter, in the early part of the night. It vaguely looks like an M or a W. That's Cassiopeia. Let me see if I can show you here. See, this is Cassiopeia. It looks like a W. Right? Now, let's talk about planets in our solar system. How many planets do we have, guys? We have 8 planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These are the 8 different planets that we have. In these 8 different planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. These 4 planets are called as inner planets. After Mars, you have asteroid belt. So thousands and thousands of rocks in space. Then after the asteroid belt, you have the outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay, inner planets and outer planets. First, let's talk about Mercury. Listen to me very carefully. Mercury is the tiniest planet in the solar system right now. Before it used to be Pluto, but Pluto is no longer a planet. It's a dwarf planet. we have Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system, also the nearest to the sun. It's very close to the sun. It's always hidden because of the sun's light. You can rarely see it. Okay, now still Mercury is not the hottest planet. Why? Because Mercury doesn't have any atmosphere. All the heat that falls on Mercury gets reflected back. Whereas Venus is the hottest and brightest planet in the solar system. It is so hot that people used to think Venus is a star. Venus is not a star, it's called as, still people call it as morning star or evening star because it appears very bright in the sky. Why is Venus the hottest planet? Because of the heat. Venus has a lot of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. All the sun's heat is trapped in the atmosphere and it becomes super hot. Hi Sarvesh, yes. Earth. Earth is the only planet which has life in the solar system. Earth appears bluish green from outer space as the light from the landmass and water bodies get reflected. Earth has only one natural satellite, Moon. The Earth axis of rotation is tilted, which causes seasonal variations. We have seasons because of the tilt of the Earth's axis. Mercury and Venus, they both don't have any moons. Earth has only one moon. Okay? And why is Earth only planet? Because Earth is in the green zone, guys. Not too hot, not too cold. We are in the right condition. Okay? Mars. Mars is the fourth planet. It's also called as the red planet because of the reddish brown oxide, iron oxide present on its surface. Mars has two natural satellites. It's in the Goldilocks zone, correct? Oh my god, you guys are smart. Dikshita and Akash. Now tell me, what are the two moons of Mars in the comment section? Two moons of Mars called. Deimos and there's one more. Next comes the outer planets. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It is so big that you can put 1,300 Earths inside it. It is 318 times heavier than Earth. Deimos and Phobos, very good. Right? Jupiter has at least 67 moons. Oh my god, guys, imagine 67 moons. Jupiter has a big red spot which is called as a giant, which is basically a big storm. One special fact about Jupiter is Jupiter's rotation is just for 10 hours. It rotates very quickly because it's a gaseous planet. You can never go and land on Jupiter. It's made up of gas. Okay, next comes Saturn is the next planet. So Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn is the sixth planet, which is very beautiful because it has rings around it. It has 30 natural satellites of its own, much more. It's not 30, it's many more. The density of Saturn is less than water, so it can float on water. Okay, now Saturn is not the only planet with rings, guys. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, all these planets have rings around them. But very well visible is Saturn's rings. Saturn rings are very well visible. Okay, Uranus, just like Venus, Uranus also rotates from east to west. So Venus and Uranus are two planets which are opposite. Every planet rotates from west to east, but Saturn rotates from east to west. Sorry, Venus and Uranus rotates from east to west. Now I have a question for you. Sun rises on dash on Venus. Tell me. Sun rises on dash on Venus. Sun rises on east or west? Tell me. West, because Venus rotates from east to west. Good. Okay. Atmosphere of Venus is mainly consist of hydrogen and methane. And Uranus, no, it is highly tilted. It will be like this. It will rotate like this. It's highly tilted. Okay, last planet is Neptune. It's the farthest planet. It takes the maximum time to revolve around the sun. It has 8 natural satellites of its own. Got it, guys? Now, all of the 8 planets, I hope you all remember. I'll give you a quick recap. Mercury, smallest, closest. Venus, brightest, hottest. Earth, the only planet with life. Mars, red, 2 moons. Jupiter, largest, has a big storm. Saturn, it's very less dense and has beautiful rings around it. Then we have Uranus, rotates from east to west, just like Venus. It's highly tilted. Neptune is the farthest planet, has the largest rotation revolution period. Okay, great. Now let's talk about other things in the solar system. Other members, comets. Comets are often observed to have a tail. They are beautiful. Okay. Now they are usually made up of ice, dust, and gases. Their size is like a small town. They are huge actually. Example, Halley's Comet, which comes once in 76 years. It was last viewed in 1986. So next comet will come when, guys? When is the next Halley's Comet going to be? Tell me in the chat box. Okay. Asteroids. Asteroids are rocks, right, which are present between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter in the asteroid belt. They also go around the sun. Next is meteors and meteors. This is very fun, guys. We call them as shooting stars. So the asteroids that are there, the rocks that are there in the space, are called as meteors. So no, they're called as meteoroids. These meteoroids, which are floating around in space, sometimes enter into the atmosphere. When they enter into the atmosphere, they are called as meteor. Hey, look, a meteor is coming. But they are very small, guys. Most of the time, 99% of the time, they all will burn in the atmosphere because of the atmospheric friction. They never successfully land. But few of the meteors finally land on the Earth. Once they land on the Earth, they are called as meteorites. Okay, so meteoroid, meteor, meteorite. Got it? Can you teach light year? Light year is the amount of distance light can travel in 1 year. So almost all gas giants have rings. Yes, correct. Okay, guys. Now let's go for the week quiz. Are you all ready? Shall we go for the week quiz, everybody? Week quiz, where to start, where to find the week quiz? The week quiz link is right below the video, guys. Click on this link and you'll be able to join the week quiz. Come on. Click on the link and you'll be able to join. Quick. Join the quiz now. Meteor can be a size of planets? No. Meteors are tiny pieces of asteroids. Okay. It's 2064, Rakesh. Oh, nice. Hi, Buttercup. Harshit is new here. Guys, do not forget to hit on the like button right now, quickly. How to join the quiz? Type www.vquiz.in. Enter the code 227728. Hi, Harshit. Come on, quick. Or you can directly click on the link that is right below the video. Come on, let's go. Let's go. I'm waiting for everybody to join, guys. Come on, quickly join. The link is right below the video, guys. Hit on the like button. I should have at least 50 likes to start. Come on. Quick. 50 likes. Let's go. Hi Rahi, welcome. Sir, you should do Menti instead because everyone can join that. In Vedantu, we need to enter. Yes, because we have to, because you guys will come in Menti and start scolding me. I know. That's why we are having week quiz. To avoid all that, we're having VQuiz. You guys will simply come and start scolding, huh? I know. Hi Afshana, hello. Join the quiz, join the quiz. Everybody, quick, join the quiz. Yes, sir, it happened many times, sir. I know, Diksha, it happened many times. Even in my classes, so many times it happened. Hi Aruhi, hi, crazy take. KVS, hi. What's up? What is the code? The code is 227728. That's the code. Come on, join guys. Yes, sir, like the video. Okay. Happy? Come on, quick. Shall we start? Last 30 seconds. Last 30 seconds. How to join? I told you. You have to go to VQuiz. www.vquiz. Enter the code 227728. Okay. Fine guys, here comes your first question on the screen in 3, 2, 1, now. 13 questions, let's do it. Which of the following does not belong to the family of solar system? Neptune, Mercury, Earth, Mars. I think this question is wrong guys, I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. Which of the following does not belong to the family of solar system? I'm sorry, this question is wrong. Don't answer. Let's not consider this question. Okay? Neptune, Mercury, Earth, Mars, all of this belong to the solar system. No. This is a wrong question. I'm sorry. It had to be Pluto. Okay? Sorry. Next question. Question number 2. Come on. Which planet is called as the morning star or evening star? Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Mercury. Which is called as morning star or evening star? Simple question. Come on, let's go. Let's go, people. Let's go. It is Venus. Why is it called as morning or evening star? Because it is super bright. It's the brightest planet in the sky. We have Vikyat, Chaitanya, Vihan, Dikshita, Sahasra, Yatarth, Samir, Akarsh, Niveda and Aditya. Great job people. You guys have all done very well. Hey sir, why you too quiet yesterday and every session you are so quiet without teaching session? Where am I quiet? See, I am talking. I talk when it is needed. I save my energy, guys. Next question, question number 3, guys. Come on. Orion is a dash. Constellation, star, planet, satellites. What is Orion? Sir, question नहीं आ रहा है. Refresh कर दो एक बार. Refresh करके फिर शुरू करो. हो जाएगा. Come on. Orion is a dash. Let's go quick. Very good, it's a constellation. Yes, a group of stars forming a recognizable pattern is called as a constellation. Orion is one among the constellation. Vikyat, Chaitanya, Vihan, Dikshita, Sahasra, Samir, Akarsh, Yatarth, Aditya and Niveda. Great job. Next question, question number 4 on your screen. Every fun session, by the way, you're cool. Thank you. A galaxy is known as what? Earth galaxy, Sun galaxy, Milky Way galaxy, constellation. What is a galaxy known as? Quick. Easy question. Easy, easy. Easy peasy. Come on. Our galaxy is known as what? The Milky Way galaxy. Yes. Easy question, guys. Very easy. Vikyat, Chaitanya, Vihan, Dikshita, Samir, Akarsh, Sahasra, Yatarth, Nivedan, Aditya. Next question, question number 5 on your screen. One more easy question for everybody. The Earth has how many natural satellites? 1, 2, 4, 14. How many natural satellites? Quick. It has 14. 1. It just has 1. Chanda Mama. Only 1. Great. So we have the leaderboard here. Vikyat, Vihan, Chaitanya, Dikshita, Akarsh, Sahasra, Samir, Shruti, Niveda, Jitesh. Next question. Question number 6 on your screen. Hi Anshika. The constellation which consists of 7 main stars. Ursa Major, Leo Major, Hercules, Cassiopeia. Which has 7 main stars. Sir, can you tell me how to improve English? How did I improve English? I'll be very frank. I'll tell you how my English became good. It's good, right? So I used to have a friend in my class who cannot speak Tamil. So I am from Tamil Nadu. He can't speak Tamil, and that guy used to be my friend. His mother tongue was Konkani, so I had to talk in English because I wanted to talk to him. I had no other way, right? If I want to talk to him, if I want to converse with him, I want to talk in English. So I sat with him. I started talking to him, trying to talk in English. He used to tell me, movies in English to watch, all of that. So slowly, after talking to him, watching a lot of movies, I learned it. That's my side of the story, and I slowly improved. Okay, Ursa Major is the right answer. Well done, people. Next question on your screen. Vikyat, Vihan, Chaitanya, Akarsh, Samir, Sahasra, Niveda, Jitesh, Yatarth, and Priyadarshika. Nice. 7th question on your screen. Which small objects revolve between orbits of Mars and Jupiter? Satellites, comets, asteroids, meteoroids. How you learned Hindi? Because of you guys. आप लोग की वजह से मैं हिंदी सीख रहा हूँ, अभी भी सीख रहा हूँ. Come on. Satellites, comets, asteroids, meteoroids. Which one? Asteroids, because they are present in the asteroid belt. Where is the asteroid belt? Between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Great, people. Chaitanya, Vihan, Akarsh, Samir, Yatarth, Priyadarshika, Aruhi, Nivedan, Vikyat, Dikshita. Great. Next question. Question number 8 on your screen. What happened, Dikshita? Why low? Shooting stars are called as what? Asteroids, galaxies, meteors, Andromeda. Shooting stars are called as dash, guys. Come on, tell me. Okay. Shooting stars are called as meteors. Very good. Andromeda is a galaxy, guys. It's the next galaxy. It's a twin galaxy to Milky Way. Okay, so we have Akarsh, Samir, Chaitanya, Yatarth, Priyadarshika, Aruhi, Niveda, Vikyat, Vihan, Sahasra. Question number 9 on your screen. Dash was the first Indian satellite. INSAT, EDUSAT, IRS, Aryabhatta. The first Indian satellite. Quick. The first Indian satellite to go into space was Aryabhatta, guys. Aryabhatta was the first Indian satellite. What was the first satellite to go into space? From the Earth. First satellite. First man-made object to enter space. First satellite. Akash, Samir, Chaitanya, Priyadarshika, Yatarth, Aruhi, Niveda, Vihan, Dikshita and Jitesh. What was it, guys? It was the Sputnik. Sputnik from USSR. Question number 10 on your screen. Light year is dash. Year full of light. Year having light work. Year which earth shall become lighter. Distance travelled by light in 1 year. What is light year? Easy, guys. Very well done. Distance traveled by light in 1 year is called as light year. Great job, guys. Next question on your screen. Before that, leaderboard. Akarsh, Chaitanya, Aruhi, Niveda, Samir, Vihan, Priyadarshika, Yatarth, Jitesh and Aditya Sharma. Question number 11 on your screen. Come on, let's go. Which is the brightest star in the night sky? Brightest star. Sirius, Vega, Alpha Centauri, Proxima Centauri. The brightest star. Quickly, guys. Come on, tell me. What is the next class? What is the next class? Oh, that's all. Done now. Done, you guys are. Oh no, there is an upcoming class. Premiers. Just a premier class. It's okay. Come on, quick. The brightest star in the night sky is Sirius. Sirius is the brightest star, guys. Okay. Somebody is asking, which religion are you, sir? Science. My religion is science. Akarsh, Aruhi, Niveda, Chaitanya, Priyadarshika, Yatarth, Jitesh, Aditya, Ayush and Shruti. Great job, guys. Ready for the next question? Hello, sir. I am new. Can you guide me, please? You have to go to beta W. There is a link below the video. See? This link you can find. Ayo. The link you can find is here. Click on this link. Once you click on the link, you will be able to play the quiz. Okay? Click on it. Next question. Question number 12 on your screen. If Saturn is thrown into an ocean, what will happen? It will float, it will sink, it will dissolve, it will soak all the water. Quick. What will happen if you... What is your favorite subject? Science. When I was in school, I used to love science, then English. I used to like history also, but then I lost interest because of the teachers. They were also bored, and I was also bored. So yeah, it will float because Saturn's density is very low compared to water. Okay, it is not possible, but hypothetically. Akarsh, Niveda, Aruhi, Chaitanya, Priyadarshika, Aditya Sharma, Ayush, Vikyat, Paras and Vihan. Great job, people. Okay, as Archana is telling, Saturn has the least density among all the planets and the only one with density lower than water. So, it will float in our imaginary ocean. Correct. Correct. Okay, next last question, guys. Are you all ready? Are you all ready? Last question on your screen. Ready? Where do you live? I live in Tamil Nadu, guys. I'm in the border of Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. That's why I can speak all the South Indian languages except Malayalam, though I understand. I can speak Tamil, I can speak English, I can speak Kannada, I can speak Hindi now, though. Telugu also I can speak. Telugu is my mother tongue. Last question, guys. Last question on your screen. Here we go. One final question. Milky Way galaxy is also known as what? Akashganga, Butterfly Galaxy, Cartwheel Galaxy, Comet. Milky Way galaxy ni ఏమని పిలవచ్చు? Akashganga, Butterfly Galaxy, Cartwheel Galaxy, Comet. easy. Correct answer na bega click ಮಾಡಿ. It is Akash Ganga. Yes, that is the right answer, guys. Very good. Yes, so final leaderboard on the screen. Let us see who's on the top. Are you the master teacher of Vedantu? I think so. I think so. Ayyo, ayyo. Okay, translate. I cannot read Malayalam. No. Okay, final question. The leaderboard on your screen is here. Let's see who's on the top. The first position goes to Akash. Very good, Akash. Then we have Aruhi and Chaitanya. Great job, people. You guys have all done very well. Congratulations to all of you. And if your name is not there, do not worry, because it's all about learning and fun. So great job, everybody. And not just that, do not forget to share this video, subscribe to Young Wonders, and hit the like button right now, Abhi. And I'll meet you guys all in tomorrow's class. What is tomorrow's session? If you guys love football, you should come for tomorrow's class, because kal we are going to talk about why Cristiano Ronaldo is the best. What is the secret behind his success? Tomorrow at 18. That means 6 o'clock. Huh? Yeah. So make sure you guys come tomorrow at this time, because we're going to have a lot of fun tomorrow. And hit the like button and put the reminder on now only, because you get to know when my class is. Alright. So I'll see you guys on the next class. So until then, this is me, Mohan, signing off. All of you take care, stay safe, and stay as lovely as always you guys are. Bye-bye.